Good morning. Hello. I am taking Johnny to a friend's house this morning. He gets to go to the Outer Banks for the weekend. And Don's getting Ruby ready for the drive. I did blow her off before we put her in the garage last night, but right now, this time of year, even sitting in the garage, she's picking up pollen. And we did have some rain last night. Not enough to really wash everything off though. Hey Tux. I'm up 30 to 60 minutes early. So nobody's being too impatient with me this morning. Hopefully they won't get used to it. I don't want to be up 30 or 60 minutes early every morning. Hi there guys, how are you? Good morning. Hi, Morris. Hi. Hello, buddy. Thanks for walking with me. All right. Ruby is ready to roll. Thank you. You getting set up for school?
Yes.
Yeah, he's actually taking a class in the car. Such is the COVID life. Remote learning life. So it's approximately a 25-mile, 40-minute trip to take Johnny to his friend's house. It's not too far from the school, so this is kind of like a school morning run, except for it's 9:20 right now, and you know, it's nowhere near as early as usual when we would be headed to school. Glad for a chance to get around these trucks. It's kind of been annoying this morning. Traffic is a little more bunched up out here on 401 than I would like to deal with. Ruby was charged up to over 200 miles. So got plenty of range, the expected range. Make this drive into Raleigh and back this morning. Well, I got Johnny dropped off. He is super excited. And I'm sure they're going to have a great weekend. They are actually camping, like, you know, tent camping. And some beach time. They're going up near Cape Hatteras. I don't know exactly where. He's been with this family before. Johnny has several vacations type trips, and so no worries whatsoever. He will have a great time. So I'm meeting Michelle at Guardian Angel. Looks like I'll get there at 10:48. Let's just say 10:50. I told her to meet me at 11. They open at 10:30, and that's when we normally meet. But you know, I knew that I couldn't quite get back to Fuquay by 10:30. So anyway, everything's going to plan this morning. And I can't say that I'm really liking having to deal with the belt line, but it's not too bad out here. Just the high speed and people in a rush, cutting in and out, that kind of thing. Going past the exit for the supercharger, which I don't need. It's just one big construction zone around here. All these dump trucks hauling dirt and gravel and demolition debris, and it's just construction everywhere. I was telling Dawn that I really kind of miss the 90s, early 2000s in the Willow Spring, Fuquay area, where it just wasn't so populated. Don't want to move, but it's just a lot going on. We're over here by the Holly Springs landfill now. road is never good over here. Stuff drops down and there's gravel and they don't clean the road, and it's just, that spot back there is never a good spot. Gotta be sharp. I'm here. I'm sure Michelle will be here any minute. And here's me, and here's Michelle. I was enjoying listening to some jams waiting on Michelle. People probably think I'm crazy dancing sitting in my driver's seat. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. I'm in a good mood. It's Friday. Listening to some music. The Ruthless Ursula, huh? A Disney shirt. Way cool.
And I got the matching earrings.
I see.
Yeah.
Way cool. Hey, girl.
I got the ring.
Well, you are just coordinated. And the purse, sort of?
Just the mermaid. I wore my husband made that for me.
Oh, is it new?
No, I've had it, but I figured, you know, Ursula and
mermaid.
Ariel.
Way cool. Are we sure we don't need those for a Build-A-Bear? That is like the prettiest little girl dress. The kitty cat isn't too bad either. What a unique book and such interesting artwork. Look at this large print over here. Wow. Michelle and I started singing John Denver. And this kitty's very unique too. He's chasing a spider. Saw that on Facebook this week. It's a bird cage. It's beautiful, just beautiful. Very unique. It's hand-painted ceramic. Dawn's into watches lately, so I'm definitely checking out everything Miss Laura puts into case. Well, I guess it's not a new interest, but it's a renewed interest maybe. Look at all of the owl necklaces. And there's a kitty too.
Kitty.
He would look good with a gazing globe. Too bad he's not a golden retriever like Jarvis. A black lab, I guess. Wow, could this be my next great Lego house? It's pretty cool. Michelle says I should put it up against a tree outside and make it a little fairy garden. I might just do that. I just might have to do this too. Michelle's gonna add Close Encounters of the Third Kind to her selection. The youth fiction 3-book set, End of the World Due to a Volcano, essentially in Yellowstone Park. I think Johnny might like it. So ties, I think bright colors, although this one made me think of you. And tablecloth, placemat, napkins, maybe for my May or June. And then this really nice, it's got butterflies on it. Flag. Welcome. It's one of those velveteen.
Oh,
Yeah, it's really soft.
very soft.
You're funny. It's pretty. Emotionally unavailable.
I can make her.
Do what you love and love what you do. We found pink label today, especially pink with the doggy. I'm just thinking, we got a problem with our cart. Michelle.
Oh my gosh.
I tried it at home.
This is my cart. And you filled it up with your stuff.
Yeah. Ghostbusters.
Who are you gonna call?
Michelle's getting this for Ariel. Love ya. Bye. I'm home. Got a rule. Try to stick with it. Got to turn the jams down so I can hear the alerts when I'm pulling into the garage. It's just a smart thing to do. Yep, I was jamming pretty good. I'm in a really good mood today. Almost always in a good mood, but I'm in a particularly good mood today. She meant to shut it off. And yeah, shopping with Michelle at the thrift store, I'll do that to a girl. But got to turn down the jams when you come into the garage. Well, I got all my stuff from Guardian Angel put away. Had me a little nap. Don's still in there working and it's late. He had a last minute thing he had to do. We had some serious thunder rumbling and just a little bit of rain. And I've been out to feed all the kitties because I don't have Johnny here to help me. I had parts come in the mail over the last 2 days, so I'm gonna put them where they need to go.